Hey guys, it's your boy Cody, and today we're looking at the next step in the line output converter generation from NVX, and that's the XLCA2X. This is a 2-channel line output converter with its biggest feature being the xBOOST technology, which is designed to restore that factory-based roll-off that you're going to see with a factory head unit. So your factory head units are going to roll off some of that bass to help protect some of your speakers. And if you're replacing those speakers or you're adding a subwoofer, you're going to want to add that bass right back in. So this is going to help restore that factory bass roll-off that you're going to see. A couple other good integration features with the XLCA2X is that it has your load select. So another thing with those factory stereos are they're going to need to see a load on those speaker levels. So if you, for instance, took your speakers out, your radio may not turn on. But with the XLCA2X, it's going to have a load select so that you can essentially create that load or trick the system into believing there's a load there, which will then allow your system to turn on and operate as it should. And speaking of turning on, it does have the turn on mode. So that's going to allow you to use either DC, remote, or your audio or signal sensing turn on, which just allows for a little bit further integration and a little bit more flexibility when you're installing this into your system. And then lastly, it's going to have a ground ISO switch, which is going to help you if you're receiving any noise from a bad ground, or if you may be having some engine noise or something else, a little bit more uncommon, but definitely something that we do look out for here in the car audio industry. The ground ISO is going to let you kind of isolate that ground, and you could even use the XLCA2X as your ground, and it's going to help prevent that noise and give you a nice, crisp, clean signal to the rest of your system. And then lastly, kind of a couple other points about the XLCA2X is it does have 9.5 volt preamp RCA outputs. It does come equipped with a clip indicator on the front side there. And then it has high level and low level inputs. So those high level are going to be great for those OEM integrations that we were talking. And then the low level or those RCA are great for, of course, your aftermarket applications. And lastly, it's going to come equipped in this nice sleek design, which is going to fit well either behind the dash or down in your footwells tucked to the side. And then lastly, it does also have this really nice little bass knob in the box. Has the 3M tape to kind of stick it not only to the housing, but also to anywhere you'd like in your vehicle. And I'm a big fan of the smaller bass remote knobs, kind of keeps them tucked away and out of sight, out of mind, but still there for those quick adjustments on the fly. So if you're at all interested in the XLCA2X, be sure to check out the links in the description below. While you're down there, hit that like button, smash the bell for subscription so you can stay notified of our next videos, and make sure to leave a comment in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.